Everyone wants to make their aggressive F-150 stand out from the crowd, and one of the best ways to make that happen is by swapping out your low-powered, boring incandescent turn signal bulbs with this pair of LED switchbacks from Diode Dynamics. To remove the headlight and gain access to the turn signal, unclip the dust shield and fold it aside. Removing one bolt on the side of the headlight and two on top will enable you to pull the headlight from the vehicle. Twist the bulb connector out of the headlight and swap out the old incandescent bulb for the new LED unit. In order to prevent hyperblink, the resistors must be wired into the turn signal harness. All of the necessary wire taps are included. The resistor must be wired into the outer two wires. In our case, they were colors black and blue. Once the resistor is wired in, you can mount it to the headlight or zip tie it out of the way. Now replace the headlight back into the truck and replace the 3 mounting screws. Lastly, pin the dust shield back up and your LED switchback turn signal bulbs are installed. They provide a brighter, more modern look over the old incandescent bulbs and will help to set your F-150 apart from the rest.